Welcome back after your evaluation one. I hope you all have done good in your exams, rather excel well in your exams. And herewith, we are starting with evaluation two now. And I will be your new maths teacher, Rakhi Khushlani, who will be teaching you maths from evaluation two onwards. Okay. So anything, any doubt, please save my number. You will get it in the group and you can contact me on my number through WhatsApp. You can just send across the doubt. I usually uh, make a voice message and send the reply to the doubts and all, or you can call me, however it is. This is just to tell you that I am your new maths teacher. I repeat my name. My name is Rakhi Kushlani. Okay. Now, in this evaluation two, we are going to start with the chapter that is money. Obviously, you are seeing around an image with lots of money there, 500 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 10 rupees, 200, and so on, 20 rupees, and so on. You know what money is. It's not something new that you're studying. You have done some part of it in fourth standard also. Rather, you have done conversion also. We'll just have a recapitulation, a few practice, and then we'll go ahead with the unitary method and the word problems of money in our future classes. Okay. Now let's see. I hope you'll remember that these days we no more rather write R, capital R, S as sign as the abbreviation for rupees. We use this particular sign to represent rupees. That is Hindi ka R. Okay, this is Hindi ka R and then a dash here. This represents Indian rupee, that is called as, I hope you also know, this is called as INR. Okay, Indian currency, that is Indian rupees. Now for the paise, we use the same as earlier we were using the abbreviation capital P or small p, that is okay. These are the coins that we use today also instead of notes. These are the notes that we use. And sometimes in place of notes, there are few coins available like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. These days, 50 paisa, 25 paisa. These coins are not available anymore. We have moved ahead. Rather, 20 paisa coin has come into picture. I hope you remember what is the conversion. What is the conversion? Firstly, what is the term conversion means? Converting from one unit to another. You must have done the chapter measurement where we convert one unit to another, like centimeter to meter, meter to kilometer, maybe coming down from kilometer to meter, millimeter, in terms of kg, milligrams, grams, this kind of conversion. Now we can do conversion in form in rupees and paise also. Remember the unit of Indian rupee. The unit of Indian rupee is this rupee sign that I showed you. And for the coins, it is the P that we use. Okay, that is either we write the full word, that is PAISE, or we can write capital P or small p. उसके लिए कोई specific नहीं use किया जा रहा है. But here, of course, my image is showing RS. So that's what I want to show, that no more these days we use this. This is wrong. Okay, we have to use the sign, this one. 1 paise is equals to, आप र जैसे भी लिखते हैं, ये जो ऊपर आपको लगाना है आप लगाओ, नहीं तो नहीं. It's not a big question about that, but this is what we use it. Okay, So this is the unit of the Indian currency or Indian money, that is rupee and paise. So rupee to paise convert karna, paise to rupee convert karna is again a conversion process. And for that conversion process, we should know the quantity of conversion. Just say 1 centimeter, sorry, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So same way here also the conversion we should know. I'll just share a video with you here. So the conversion of rupees and paise. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Is equals to 100 paisa. That means that 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 100 paise. You use paisa or paise, that does not matter. It will not make a huge difference. Here I'm just representing RUPEES to convert my language into the written option. So 25 rupees is going to be how many paise there? So let's see, 25 rupees and 25 paise is equals to 25 rupees into 100 paisa. See, here we are using a small p, which is also correct. It's not at all a problem. Now the conversion of 1 rupee, as we saw in the last slide, and you have done it in 4th standard also, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Okay, or 1 paisa is equals to what? Yes, what did we see in our slide? 1 upon 100. So 25 rupees and 25 paisa is 25 rupees into 100 paise. मेरे को पूरा conversion पैसे में चाहिए plus 25 paise. I hope you all are recalling how we used to do for centimeters, kgs and liters and all. So 25 into 100 gives me 2500 paise plus what are we going to do? 25 paise, which will give me 2525 paise. That is how the conversion takes place of 25 rupees and 25 paisa or paise. Okay, so 25 rupees, agar 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, so 25 rupees will be 25 into 100. That will give me 2500 plus the 25 paisa is already with you. So you are going to add that. So I get 22,525, or you can also read it as 2525 paisa. The choice is yours. Let's see the next one. 320 paise can be broken up as 300 paise plus 20 paise. 300 paise is obviously 3 rupees and 20 paise. I just pause here. How did you get 20 paise as 0.20? You all have already done decimals. Okay, the chapter was already done in evaluation 1. So 0.20, that is 20 upon or divided by 100 gives me 0.20. If you remember the number of zeros and that many number of places you move towards left. Okay, so 2 zeros in 100 and you are going to write 0.20, or physically if you want to do the division, but the method has been taught to you in last evaluation. So 20 paise is actually 0.20 rupee. We are converting the paise to rupees. So 320 paise is equals to 3 rupees plus rupees 0.20, which gives me rupees 3.20. Okay. I will not go back into decimals, division and multiplication and addition, children. If you have a doubt, yes, you can ask me. I can discuss it with you all. Maybe I can make a video or share during the live session. But right now, I'm presuming that everybody knows that concept. Okay, let's see some more example here. So convert 5,693 paise in rupees. 5,693 paise is equals to actually 5,600 plus 93 पैसे. अब हम ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? Like why are we dividing this amount as 5,600 paise plus 93 paise? It makes my division easier. अगर डायरेक्ट भी करेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I will do that method also. So 5,600 paise gives me actually, say to yourself, 56 rupees. And 93 paise becomes 0.93 paise. Let's see, does that happen? Let's see, is that happening? Yes, rupees 56 plus 0.93. And then we are going to add 56 plus 0.93, which gives me 56.93 rupees. Otherwise, what are we going to do? 5693 divided by 100, that is also okay. I have got two zeros in 100, so I will move two decimal places. Let me do it here. 5. Please pardon me for my writing. I'll use text here. I'll use text. It's a brighter color. Okay, so 5693 can be written as divided by 100. I'm using divided by 100. That means 5693. Okay, divide by 100. You can write it in ratio method, is equals to. So there are two zeros, and you are going to move two decimal points towards the left. That is what the rule is taught to us. Or even if you do physics. So this will give me 56.93 rupees. आप directly भी कर सकते हैं. What happens, but when the number is too big, it's always better to break the number into some equal way so that you get a complete set of rupees separately and then a smaller amount of paisa separately and you give the answer. But convenience is yours, absolutely no problem. Let's see something more here. Now we do the inverse, that is rupees 0.6, sorry, 0.06 is equals to how many paise? Simply multiply by 100 and I get 6 paise there. See, all this is just revision that we are doing to recall what you have done in fourth standard. It's a warm up. But yes, we need to do this warm up because last year also we were going through online classes. So it has must have not been easy for you all to retain all that. So 12.75 rupees to be converted into paise, directly multiply by 100. That means 2 decimal places it has to be removed. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this part. Conversion of smaller unit to bigger unit, these concepts. Okay, I will go through that concept. I hope you'll remember one thing, that is, I will share something with you all. Give me a moment. I'm writing something. Conversion of any sort of conversion of, okay, when we convert from bigger unit, sorry, not bigger, bigger unit to smaller b. What do we do? I'm not going to answer. That's a question for y'all for tomorrow's live session. Conversion of units when I convert from bigger unit to smaller. Sorry. I did not share. I shared. Okay. So I mean to say when I convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, B dash. That is specifically, you have to mug it up and remember always and answer it as fast as you can. Next one that you have to answer, find out and answer me with examples, not compulsorily of money only, but with other, it is applicable universally. Conversion of units when I convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, I or V dash. What should be this dash? So you'll have to remember this, find out, and tomorrow answer my question. Okay. So I here end my video here. There is one warm-up exercise. I will, y'all can just start practicing just at the start of the chapter. You can just do it with pencil or pen in the textbook, and then we'll start with the proper questions from tomorrow live session. Okay. So I'm ending my video, children, here. Have a good day. Study hard.